Greetings, thanks for joining me. I have hair that is prematurely gray. Super premature, obviously. I actually think that men with salt and pepper hair look really handsome and distinguished and sexy. That is not the case with myself. I look like a witch.
Hello, my pretty.
On top of that, my hair grows so fast that I have to dye the roots every 3 weeks. My local salon charges, I think, $65 just to dye your roots. And then after you tip them, you're out the door like 80 bucks. It's unaffordable for me to drop 80 bucks on dyeing my roots every 3 weeks. So let's rewind. I'm gonna show you the products that I use, the tools that I use, and exactly how I go about dyeing my roots every 3 weeks. I wanna show you the gray before it's dyed. I have more gray on my right side than my left, so I'm gonna see if I can find a really gray section to show you. Look at how gray I am! I'm going to use my Schwarzkopf Igora Royal Developer. This is 6% 20 volume, along with my 6.4 and 8.1. This combination has been working really well for me, so I'm gonna stick with that for my roots. I'm gonna mix all that up in my teacup and 1/4 cup of developer. That's what it looks like when it's all mixed up. It fits perfectly in my little teacup. Have my gloves on. I'm gonna get started. So I made it all the way to my right ear. Now I'm gonna go back and do this little bit by my left ear. Part my hair right about where I started and flip it over. Yeah, that was perfect actually. That's the perfect spot for me to start. Minus that piece right there. Okay. I don't know why the gray hair is more prominent in one area of the head than the other, but that's just the way it is. So I do this side last. I always have to be really careful to get the tiny little hairs around the face because some of those are going gray as well. I've made it all the way to my left ear. So now I'm just gonna go along my hairline back here. I just blindly slop it on. I'm a very messy colorist, if you can call me a colorist. I'm a hack, but I do my best. Looking pretty. Okay, so now I'm just gonna work on the roots on the back. And again, I just blindly slop it on. I just do my best to cover as much as I can. I probably used about half of that teacup. 45 minutes is going on my timer right now. And if I ever feel that the ends are getting too light, then I'll use what's left in the teacup the last 5 minutes and I'll put it through all the rest of the hair to the ends. But I don't need to do that today. The color's holding pretty well. So I gotta go. I have to go set my timer. I'll be back. And this is what the hair looks like now. Witch hair is gone. No more gray roots. I just have a quick story to tell you. I like to do voices, you know, when I'm reading books to my little girl, I give each character a different voice. Sometimes when we're in the car, just to make her laugh, I'll do some funny voice. Anyway, she loves my witch voice. And yesterday I was driving her somewhere and she said, Mommy, do your witch voice. So I just did my witch cackle. You've heard it. It's pretty good. No, Mommy, say something to me in your witch voice. Like, say a sentence.
Oh, look at this pretty little girl. I'm going to put you in my cauldron and make some little girl soup because I'm hungry.
And then I hear her little voice say, that was scary, Mommy. Yes, I have perfected the witch voice. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.
Goodbye, my pretties. Goodbye until next time.